An orphan in 1791 forged beauty from hardship and gave birth to a name that would echo through horological history. This is the story of Girard-Perregaux. Imagine a world in 1791 where the craft of watchmaking was as much art as it was science. For reference, this was also the year Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart premiered his opera The Magic Flute, a masterpiece that showcased the brilliance of the time. Just as Mozart was redefining music, Jean-François Bautte emerged, crafting exquisite ultra-thin timepieces that whispered elegance and ingenuity. From these humble beginnings, the story of Girard-Perregaux unfolds, revealing an enduring pursuit of artistry and precision that continues to inspire. Jean-François Bautte's journey began not in opulence, but in hardship. Orphaned at a young age, Bautte's early life was marked by struggle. Apprenticed at just 12 years old, he worked tirelessly in Geneva's burgeoning watchmaking industry. Despite his youth, he demonstrated remarkable skill and a keen eye for detail, mastering the arts of case-making, movement crafting, and assembly. By 1791, at the age of 19, Bautte had created his first complete watch, showcasing his ability to transform hardship into enduring craftsmanship. Bautte's entrepreneurial spirit blossomed in 1801 when he founded his own workshop in Geneva. What set him apart was his innovative approach to vertical integration, consolidating all aspects of watch production under one roof. This not only ensured high standards, but also positioned Bautte as one of the most forward-thinking watchmakers of his era. His creations, often ultra-thin and intricately decorated, garnered the admiration of European aristocracy. By the time of his death in 1837, Bautte had established a legacy that would echo across generations of watchmakers. His workshop continued to operate under his successors, maintaining its reputation for exceptional quality and innovative designs. This enduring legacy eventually merged with the vision of Constant Girard and Marie Perregaux, who crossed paths in 1852. Their union in 1856 marked the creation of Girard-Perregaux, combining Bautte's legacy with their own drive to innovate and redefine horology. Constant Girard, a talented watchmaker, was already earning a reputation for his technical skill, while Marie Perregaux came from a family deeply rooted in the watchmaking tradition. Their marriage in 1856 symbolized the merging of two great traditions in watchmaking, giving birth to the Girard-Perregaux and C brand. Together, they envisioned a maison that would honor the pioneering spirit of Jean-François Bautte while integrating his workshop's legacy into their brand. This union allowed Girard-Perregaux to draw on Bautte's history while crafting its distinct identity and advancing watchmaking innovation. The 19th century was a period of rapid advancement for Girard-Perregaux. In 1880, the company made history by producing one of the first mass-produced wristwatches for the German Navy. At a time when pocket watches were still the norm, this bold move demonstrated the brand's forward-thinking approach. By the turn of the century, Girard-Perregaux had solidified its position as a leader in both design and innovation. Among its most celebrated creations was the 1889 tourbillon with 3 gold bridges, which redefined technical and aesthetic standards in watchmaking. This extraordinary piece symbolized the brand's dual dedication to artistry and precision. The brand also gained recognition for its chronometry. Constant Girard's designs consistently won prizes at observatory competitions, which tested the precision of timepieces. This commitment to accuracy and reliability set Girard-Perregaux apart as a leader in technical innovation. In 1966, Girard-Perregaux introduced the Gyromatic HF, a high-frequency movement that vibrated at 36,000 times per hour. This groundbreaking invention not only set new standards for precision and reliability, but also showcased the brand's leadership in cutting-edge horological technology. In 1970, during the Quartz Revolution, Girard-Perregaux once again demonstrated its adaptability by developing a quartz movement with a frequency of 32,768 Hz, the standard still used today. This pioneering achievement solidified the brand's role as a leader in technological advancements and positioned it as a key player in the evolution of modern watchmaking. The 1970s saw the birth of the Laureato, a watch that combined sporty aesthetics with luxurious craftsmanship. Launched in 1975, the Laureato featured an integrated bracelet and a bold, modern design that quickly made it a favorite among watch enthusiasts. Over the years, the Laureato has been reimagined and refined, with iterations such as the 2016 Laureato Skeleton and the Laureato Absolute pushing the boundaries of innovation. This design classic blends a sporty aesthetic with refined craftsmanship, making it a flagship model in Girard-Perregaux's contemporary lineup. As the 20th century progressed, Girard-Perregaux expanded its presence globally, entering markets across Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Over time, the brand's ownership and structure evolved. In 1906, Constant Girard-Gallet merged Girard-Perregaux with Jean-François Bautte's legacy company, solidifying its history. In recent years, Girard-Perregaux became part of the Sowind Group, which was acquired by Kering, a global luxury goods conglomerate, in 2011. However, in 2022, Kering divested Sowind, allowing Girard-Perregaux to operate independently once again under its management team. The brand's commitment to in-house manufacturing and innovation ensured its reputation for excellence remained untarnished. By the 20th century, Girard-Perregaux had expanded into major cities, reflecting the brand's evolving identity as both a historical icon and a modern luxury house. Girard-Perregaux has been headquartered in Le Chaux-de-Fonds, Switzerland, a city renowned for its watchmaking heritage. This location has served as a hub of innovation and craftsmanship, housing both the brand's design and manufacturing facilities. Its location is symbolic of its deep ties to Swiss horology. Girard-Perregaux's commitment to honoring its heritage while embracing innovation is epitomized in the Neo-Tourbillon, a modern reinterpretation of the three gold bridges design. This contemporary masterpiece exemplifies how tradition and innovation can coexist in perfect harmony. The company has also embraced sustainable practices in recent years, using eco-friendly materials and processes to reduce its environmental footprint. This dedication to sustainability underscores Girard-Perregaux's vision for a future where tradition and innovation serve not only horology, but also the planet. A notable recent innovation is the Bridges Cosmos, launched in 2019, which combines celestial mechanics with haute horlogerie, demonstrating the brand's ability to harmonize tradition and modernity. From its inception, Girard-Perregaux has been dedicated to in-house manufacturing. By producing nearly all components internally, the brand ensures that every watch meets its exacting standards. This meticulous attention to detail is why Girard-Perregaux timepieces are more than just watches, they are works of art, designed to be cherished for generations. From Jean-François Bautte's humble beginnings to the revolutionary designs of Constant Girard and Marie Perregaux, Girard-Perregaux's history is a testament to resilience, innovation, and artistry. Its legacy is built on groundbreaking achievements like the Tourbillon with 3 gold bridges, the Quartz Movement Standard, and the Neo-Tourbillon. Each watch tells a story of struggle and triumph, of tradition and progress. As we admire the intricate beauty of a Girard-Perregaux timepiece, we're not just looking at a watch, we're witnessing the culmination of over 2 centuries of dedication to the art of timekeeping. This is more than a legacy. It's a masterpiece of time itself, echoing through generations of craftsmanship and innovation.